Looking to upgrade your truck's stereo but worried about fit and installation headaches? This stereo installation kit is designed specifically for any standard 2-inch tall aftermarket radio, giving you a seamless, factory-like upgrade without the hassle. I recently installed this kit in my truck, which originally came without the factory 8.4-inch screen. The kit's matte black, scratch-resistant finish matched perfectly with my dashboard, and the high-quality ABS plastic made the fit feel like it came straight from the factory. Sure, I had to make a small modification to my radio, but the kit itself didn't require any changes. The included brackets and hardware made the process straightforward, and the detailed instructions helped me avoid any guesswork. What's more, if you run into any trouble, Metra Electronics offers tech support 7 days a week, which was a huge relief. I checked their application guide to confirm compatibility with my vehicle before ordering, and it fit just as promised. If you're ready to replace your stock radio with a reliable aftermarket player, this kit is worth a look. It simplifies installation and delivers a clean, professional finish every time.